Hello and welcome back to another video from Eat Skinny Live. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how much weight I lost following the Eat Skinny plan, and also the 3 top tips I found that while you're following the plan, what you need to be able to do in order to be successful in losing weight that particular week. So stick around for that and let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Rob and I am kind of sharing with you my recipe videos and my own weight loss journeys to help you guys achieve your own goals as well. So if you have a look on the channel, there is a playlist called the Eat Skinny Plan. Now the Eat Skinny Plan is a plan that I've put together. It's a free 7-day meal plan that you can click in the description box. There's a link to it in there and you can get a hold of that. Download it straight away and it kind of takes the thinking out of what you need to be eating this week to lose weight. So I included all my favorite meals in there that have to be tasty, that are filling and really, really delicious. So go and check that out. And you can crack on with that straight away. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I found going through the Eat Skinny plan and what I would probably advise you need to do as well, and just to make sure that you are sticking to it 100% as well. Okay, tip number 1 is that you need to be prepared. Have a look through the shopping list and you need to buy everything that's listed in there so you are ready to start the week. You will also need to have a think about your snacks as well, and what kind of snacks you would like on there and your favourite fruit. So if I've listed anything in that shopping list that you don't like, fruit wise or snack wise, you need to make sure that you are prepared for those as well. So make changes, make things that you're going to switch things up with and go from there. Tip number 2 is that you need to put some time into preparing these meals. Now they are usually really quick and easy. However, you need to be 100% committed in putting these meals together. Once you've made them, you will find that Wednesday is an easy cooking day. So again, once you've cooked everything on Monday, you can use Wednesday as a bit of an easy one, trying to catch up a little bit. So I've tried to put together recipes that are easy and quick. However, if you do not put the time in and you do not take them seriously and you do not kind of think about that, you are going to struggle. So again, just make sure you block the time, you dedicate your time to making these meals, and that you are starting to look forward to them. And tip number 3, probably the most important one, is that you need to be disciplined with yourself. So again, you may find yourself, you're going to decide to follow the Eat Skinny plan, go through the week, but inevitably there may be some trigger foods or there may be some events that are coming up that you didn't plan for, but you need to be disciplined in that you're not going to eat or be tempted by anything else that is not on the plan. So be disciplined, go with it 100%, and I guarantee that you are going to lose something within that week. So those are my 3 top tips that I found that going through the Eat Skinny plan that I would probably tell myself again if I was going to follow the plan, what I needed to be sticking to kind of retrospectively. So we have come to the part of the video where I'm going to share with you what I've lost. So mini drum roll please. I managed to lose 3 pounds following the Eat Skinny plan. So again, that was making all the meals, sticking to everything, 2 snacks a day, drinking lots of water, a little bit of exercise as and when. So I was taking the dog out for a walk every day. So yeah, not masses of exercise, but again, just sticking to the plan, not being tempted by anything, and I managed to lose 3 pounds. Added to my weight loss journey, tick that off, 3 pounds closer to my target weight and goal. So if you want to follow the Eat Skinny plan, again, it's all linked in the description box below, and I strongly recommend that you go back, have a look at the Eat Skinny plan playlist, go through the daily vlogs and have a look at what meals I was making and what they look like, and then yeah, I would go for it. I would strongly recommend that you follow the plan. Again, it's all meals that I really enjoyed, so there's nothing in there that's going to be tasteless or not filling, and again, I kind of feel that they're all kind of will suit everyone. They will suit most members of the family, and again, if you've got fussy eaters, I'm sure there is something on there that they are bound to like. So again, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you found some useful information in here, or you found that actually you quite like to give this a go, if you can hit the like button and give me a comment below about any questions you might have or any words of encouragement, that would be absolutely fantastic. And again, if you want to keep up to date with kind of videos, I do share recipe videos and motivation and some inspiration here on the YouTube channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. I've been Rob, and I wish you all the best in your own weight loss journeys.